Formax presents the FD314 Tabletop Document Folder. Eliminate the tedious task of folding by hand. The FD314 is an easy-to-use, space-saving document folder ideal for small businesses, churches, schools, or any small organization or department with folding needs. This rugged, compact folder can fold documents up to 14 inches in length and up to 8.5 inches wide. At speeds of up to 7,700 sheets per hour, the FD314 completes daily folding tasks in no time. The FD314 comes pre-marked with fold settings for 4 standard fold types in both 11-inch and 14-inch sizes. The fold plates are clearly marked with the fold type and paper size for quick and easy setup. The FD314 features a belt-driven stacker conveyor with outfeed wheels to keep folded documents in a neat and sequential order. It also includes a 3-digit counter to keep track of the number of sheets folded. The auto batch mode allows for a set number of sheets to be folded with a pause in between sets for easy handling. Simply set the number of sheets to be folded and the pause between each set, and then press start. The FD314 is easy to set up right out of the box. Simply set the folder on a level, sturdy surface, lower the catch tray, open the feed table extension, and then insert the fold plates. Next, set the fold plates based on the paper size and fold type. Adjust the outfeed stacker wheels, and then load the documents to be folded and press start. In no time, the documents will be ready for further processing with crisp, accurate folds. The FD314 Tabletop Document Folder.